Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make this origami foldable umbrella. For this I'll be using this Japanese paper. This is slightly thicker than the normal paper. I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and starting with the plus crease. We need two papers to make this model. Now create a cross crease. Now collapse the paper into preliminary base. Bring the sides to the center crease and make a new crease. This is just a pre-creasing. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Now lift one flap and open it and then flatten it as shown. Repeat the same step for all the four flaps. Keep four flaps on each sides. Draw two curve shapes over here and take a scissors and cut. Now take another paper and repeat the steps which we have done till now. Draw a curve shape by keeping this as a reference. Draw diagonal two lines leaving a small gap in the center and cut it as shown. Now open the paper and here you can see valley folds. We have to convert it into mountain folds. Convert all the valley folds into mountain folds as shown. Then you will be able to collapse the model like this. You have to do it carefully because it's very delicate. This is the inner side of the umbrella. The other paper which we have done, that is the outer portion of the umbrella. So take the outer portion and put the glue in a circle. Stick the paper by aligning neatly. Now fold the model as shown and take the scissors, and you have to cut in these 2 points. You are just making a small hole. Take a stick and fix it as shown. Now here we need to take a strip of paper and put little bit of glue, then fix it like this and roll it so that it will become like a cap. Take another strip of paper and roll it like this so that it will be movable. Open and close the umbrella carefully. Origami foldable umbrella is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.